Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So you guys, this video is going to be a little different. This is on Myfirstwig. I'm not telling y'all no lie. When I tell you Myfirstwig has the best wigs, y'all know my go-to wig is my bob wig. Now I've had this unit for almost 4 months. All I did was put her on a mannequin head and just flat iron her, and I cleaned the glue off. So how I clean my glue, I want to show y'all how to reinstall this unit, because not only is it's an affordable unit, it's a really amazing unit that's going to last you for a long time. You're going to get your money worth when it comes to Myfirstwig units. It's one of my favorite brands. Every time a person asks me, Bree, what wig company you recommend? You guys always know that I recommend the lace is just so flawless. It does not matter how many times you wear it. It comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, everything, so you don't have to do anything. This wig does have the drawstring on it. Now I think I got 7 bob wigs from Myfirstwig. That's how much I really love them. It's like my signature go-to look. All I do to clean my lace, just so you guys know, I put some alcohol. This is 99% alcohol. What I do is I just spray it, because like I said, I don't have to wash this often. So I'll just flip the lace over like this. I spray it. And one thing about it, it dries really quick. So you do have to move pretty quickly. And then all I do, y'all, is take like a rag and I just rub the glue off of the lace. Let me show y'all. I spray it like that. And then I just rub it off. The lace is just so good. It just blends in so well. So y'all see how I did that? It's really easy to just rub the glue off, and it looks so fresh. I feel like the older it looked, the better it looked. So we're gonna go ahead and put her on. The tighter you have it, the more flawless it look. But it do have a drawstring. But look, this wig is 4 months old. 4 months. And I probably worn this wig I wear this unit. Y'all know, if you follow me or watch my vlogs, y'all know this is my like go-to, because it's so easy. Look at how this looks. I haven't even glued this unit down. I just like, it is so easy. It don't shed. It's just easy. You're gonna fall in love with it. Once you get it, you're gonna fall in love with it. Look at the cut. Everything is perfect. So this is how the unit look before even installing it with glue. Now some people might be like, Bree, what if I don't want to glue it down? You don't have to glue it down, but I do recommend that you use some type of adhesive just so it can look even more flawless. You can use the liquid gold. Is really good for a day or two. That'll work really amazing. Let me show y'all. This one here. It's the bowl hole liquid gold. This is amazing. It'll work really good, and it dries really quickly. So I just want to show y'all. I will never steer y'all wrong when it comes to Myfirstwig. Each and every time, it's gonna look flawless. Oh my gosh, it looks like it's coming from my scalp. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue her on. I'm gonna keep her on for, I would say, a day or two. So I'm thinking I'm going to use bowl hole. Normally I use some type of glue adhesive. I use my regular glue. I'm just going to use the Even Wonder Lace glue. I'm only going to use it I'm just going to do 1 layer, because I'm only keeping this on for a few days. But y'all, my hair is just going to look so good. I'm about to record some content, so I'm just going to fast forward this part and let y'all see how I glue this unit on. You want to make sure when you're installing your unit, even when you're reinstalling, it has no makeup on this part of your forehead, because you don't want to break out, guys. Putting that glue on top of makeup, and your lace, it's not going to look as flawless when you have glue. Look, all of that makeup. You want to make sure, and then you could just fix your makeup later. So I'm just going to use 1 layer of this, y'all. We're going to fast forward this because I don't feel like talking, okay? So we're going to go ahead and fast forward this. I'm going to show y'all how I do it. Just 1 layer. As you guys can see, the lace is going to be not on my edges. It's never on my edges. It's always in the front of my edges. And I don't like my lace too far on my forehead. So this is what it's giving. I'm going to put a little bit more right here. I promise you, if you want a signature look and you don't want your lace to look like Biggie, Myfirstwig, I stand by that company so much. That's why I continue to work with them, because they are an amazing company. Now I'm going to take some of my even lace sponge. I always spray it on the back of my hand because I have more control. And wherever the glue is dry, I'm just going to put that on top of it. It really works amazing. That even glue dries really quick. I don't think it's as good as the Erica J glue, but it's really good. Okay, pay attention, guys. Pay attention. It's really easy. First, I start off with the front. Like that. Don't push it all the way down yet. Then we come on the side. Pull it where I want it to be. Not too far in the front. You don't want it to look like a helmet. I'm going to pull it a little bit so it's a tight fit. See how I did that? Okay. Push, push, push. The lace melts so easily, I really don't even have to put a blow dryer on it. That literally took me 2 minutes to install it with the glue. Just keep pushing it. I'll be back. I'm going to let it dry a little bit, guys. I was just bumping it with the flat iron. As you guys can see, my hair looks pretty fresh. It looks brand new. The lace look amazing on the unit. I added my little baby hair. I've been wearing this unit for literally, I think it's been 4 or 5 months. It's been a long time. And I know I always wear my pushback, but let me just show y'all for my girls who would love a middle part, because the middle part eats so bad. I was like, should I wear a middle part? I haven't worn a middle part in quite some time, but it'll look so cute in the middle part. It's so classy. Look at this middle part action. So good. The hair just flat irons so well too. It's like so natural. So you can wear it like this. So you can get a girl's this type of look if you want to switch it up and make it look like you just got your hair freshly done, which I love. You can also do a side part. Now this look like a whole different hairstyle. I'm telling y'all, I always do a curved part. You always got to do a curved part, sister. Do you a nice curved part. Bring it to the front a little bit. Bump it. Add a little spray on it for the flyaways. Now this is a whole nother hairstyle, but what I would do is I would tuck one side back like this. Real classy. I'm telling you, you can give the girls different looks, but this is the same wig. It look like you just love bobs and you just get your hair done all the time. Bam. Very classy, sophisticated, and chic. Love that. So with that being said, I'll make sure you check out Myfirstwig. Like I said, this unit is an old unit, and I'm just showing you guys that it's still getting what it's supposed to give. This little look is cute. Alright, so make sure you guys check out Myfirstwig. I'll leave all the information down below for you guys. Check them out. Get this bob. Wear it for the rest of the year. I want to see y'all in y'all bobs, honey. Period. Talk to y'all later. Bye.